Dito. Hi now. Hi, Ann. Whatever. And she, what's with the hairdo? So, what are you feeling now? Or going to defend our thesis?
I feel nervous. I feel a lot.
Yeah. Like a hair.
I feel hot.
Feel hot.
Hotty.
What can you say about Mr. Book? Whatever.
You sweat.
So happy. You sweat, you know.
Yeah, you sweat.
Sweat.
What can I say about Mr.
Bowery.
I can say you sweat.
What can you say about Mr. Bomphrey? About Mr. Bomphrey, what can you say? What can you say about Mr. Bomphrey?
Who the hell is that?
They have British, half Australian person who
Bumper ba siya?
no!
Bumper!
Mr. Robin Bomphrey. Robin Bomphrey. Like Robin
Bumper! You bump my hump. Where's your hump?
Okay, whatever. I'm going to stop it.